Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel.
Today we are going to show you how to make a delicious Biscoff milkshake using the Ninja Slushi.
Now without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, for this recipe we're going to need 600 milliliters of milk, 2 tablespoons of cream, 2 tablespoons of Biscoff spread, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, and we're also going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. Also, let's not forget some Biscoff biscuits for sprinkling at the end. Okay, step 1, we're going to measure out 600 milliliters of whole milk into a measuring jug. Got quite a big one here. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of double cream. Now I'm going to add my vanilla, about a 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, I'm going to give that a little mix. And now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the Biscoff spread. And a pinch of salt. And now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of unrefined cane sugar. Now next up, you could do this with a whisk, but I'm going to go for the electric one. What we want to achieve is a nice smooth mixture. We don't want any lumps of the Biscoff in there. It might take a little minute for the Biscoff to incorporate because it is a rather cold mixture. I can see some little bits of the Biscoff at the bottom, but there's no massive, huge lumps of it, which is what we're looking for. So now we are ready to add the mixture to the slushie. Let's add this. This will make about 1 to 3 servings, so it's not too much. But obviously if you want to, you could triple the recipe to get the full container. And now I'm going to turn on the slushie and I'm going to select milkshake. And now all we need to do is wait for the slushie to do its thing and we'll come back with the result. Now our milkshake is ready. Let's see what it turned out like.
So that was us making a delicious Biscoff milkshake using the Ninja Slushi.
If you'd like to try a frappe next, check out the video on the screen right now.
Thanks for tagging along and we'll see you again on the next one.